Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to the Life of Lee. This is the channel about me and my life. This video, we're going to see on how you can make £10,000 a month of passive income. So yeah, I've got a number of different revenues, ways of income, and I'm just going to take you through them, pop them up on the screen along the way as I just talk over them. So first one is, my biggest one is probably my training plans and my coaching. So before I get into that, background of me and how all this makes sense. So my background is I served in the military, left the military, and then become a professional coach, athlete, and personal trainer. So I was a CrossFit coach, Olympic weightlifting coach, competed in CrossFit and Olympic weightlifting. And I also done personal training with just regular clients, wanted to lose weight, etc. So that's my background. And I found a niche of basically training people that want to join the military. So this is my biggest source of passive income. And this is my military training plan. So, yeah, like I said, my background is military, and then my love is coaching and programming. So I basically put those two together, really small niche, but there's always a turnover in this because there's always people wanting to join the military and struggle to get fit for the military. Especially young lads, if they leave school 15, 16, they don't really know exactly how to train properly. They just do the basics, run, push up, pull up. So I basically coach them, offer a program, show them the way and how to train properly while staying injury free. So this is my biggest income, and this is how much I earn through this. Roughly take home about between £800 to £1,000 a month. So that is, a lot of it is monthly turnover. So my program is like £9.99 a month. I've got a lot of people signed up to that. So each month that keeps turning over. And I also offer ebooks, which train for specific tests. So in the military, as you go through the joining process, there's certain tests you got to tick off before you start basic training. I've also got ebooks on how to improve your pull-ups, how to improve your running, and how to improve your push-ups. So the basic stuff that people need for the military. If they can't afford £9.99 a month, they can just download an ebook, a running program, and just follow that. And that program's there. So I also have that, which is always ticking over. I promote on social media, and that pretty much takes me on to my second source of income. Yeah, so my second source of income is then social media. This is my next biggest income. So with this, I basically I do podcasts with lads that's gone through training, are in training, professionals within the fitness industry, etc. I also put out training videos, movement standards, and then training advice. So again, like the military program, how to improve your running, how to improve your pull-ups, how to improve your push-ups, the correct standards. I basically put videos together and then put them on YouTube. And then basically this is another source of income. So again, here you can see I've basically just had a spike. So I've gone from having nothing. So I was basically, you got to be so consistent with content on YouTube, like posting every week, so people keep coming back. So I was having basically a nice standard income, and obviously due to work that's dropped off. I would probably earn like £6-7 a day. And then obviously I posted a lot of videos over the last couple of weeks and days, and it's basically had a massive surge in followers, people watching, and this is what you can see here. So on average, I earn between £30 to £50 a day. Like I said, it's a very small niche market, the military, so there's not many people searching for these videos online. So it doesn't get as many views as I'd like, but I've started posting more fitness content, which this is where these views have come from. So you see a massive surge here, £100 a day, £80 a day, £110 a day. My lowest was £49 a day, and I think that was my highest, has 110. So the last 28 days, I've basically made £1,000. So from YouTube alone, I've made £1,000 in the last 28 days. Obviously the month's not over. We've still got another week left of this month. So hopefully that's gonna go up even more. So already 2 sources of income. My online coaching, that is between 600 to £1,000 a month. I'd probably say £600 to £800 a month is a guaranteed window. Now and again, I'll hit the £1,000 mark, depending how much I post on social media and advertise my programs. And then YouTube, an average month could be 200 to 500. Like I said, this month I'm going to hit £1,000. So already a month I'm earning close to £2,000 a month from these 2 sources. Obviously, I have other sources of income as well. My next social media, on Instagram, I haven't really got the followers to earn money on that. But on TikTok is another source of income, and I've just reached creator content and the Creators Fund. So once you get over 10,000 followers on TikTok, you can then start earning money from posting content on TikTok. So I've done that, and as you can see here on the screen, this is what I've been earning over the last 2 weeks on TikTok. So it's roughly £200 already last 2 weeks. You can see the daily breakdown. Like some days I've made £30, some days I've made £2. It just varies. And also with TikTok, you get companies approach you. So once you've reached that and you've hit the marketplace, you get creators and companies approach you, offer you money and also free products to advertise on your channel. So I get a lot of them, like supplement companies will offer me like £200, a free tub of protein or vitamins, just to make a video to advertise their brand on my channel. So that's another source of income I make through TikTok. It's just posting the odd video. It's just extra income at the end of the day that I make through TikTok and just posting videos. Most of them is just military content, just posting like military training videos, and that just brings in content. Sometimes I'll put fitness content up, but most of it's just military related. So yeah, that's social media. And then I have a coffee company. So t-shirt on here. This doesn't bring in as much income as I'd like, but it's a very niche market again. It is more focused towards the military. It's called Commando Dagger Coffee. So the Royal Marines and a coffee brand basically based on the military, but anyone can buy. Drop shipping method. So I got a Spotify website I've got a coffee roaster which does wholesale and drop shipping in the UK, and that's basically linked to my website. Same with t-shirts and that. I've got that basically linked to a drop shipping website. So whenever people post or order a coffee or a t-shirt, it just goes straight to the company. They package it and send it off. I just basically earn a profit on that. So if a coffee sells for £7 and the coffee roaster charges £5, I basically just earn £2 profit. So it's not much of a turnover, but it is a turnover. And again, that's something that's just running in the background now. So all I got to do is post on social media, send out monthly newsletters or whatever. Every year on Armed Forces Day, I put basically like a sale up, and all profits go to the military and to charity. So that's something I do to help push the brand, grow it, and stuff like that. So yeah, that just runs in the background, and that's just another source of income. So like I said, my biggest one is programming and coaching. Second one then is YouTube. So put in coaching content online, how-to content, like how to do pull-up, stuff like that. TikTok, just posting content on TikTok is getting money. And also my coffee brand, like I said, that's running in the background, bringing in money. And then, like I said at the start of the video, I'm in the process of buying my first buy-to-let. So all this money I've been receiving through social from all my sources have basically been my first deposit for my house. So again, this is going to be another source of income for me, and that is the rent from this property. So I've basically used my passive income basically to invest in more passive income, which hopefully in the future is going to lead to my main source of income. So I'm currently using my passive income to buy and invest in more passive income, which will hopefully in the future lead to my main source of income. So that's the goal for now, is to keep growing social media and these passive incomes. I'm still currently working full time, so I've got a wage. I live off that wage, and obviously all this passive income in the background is just building up. And then hopefully I'm going to keep investing that in property and other stuff, which is then going to lead to my main source of income, and hopefully become financial free. So hopefully I can just enjoy my life with basically income in the background constantly coming in, where I can just sit back and enjoy my life. That's the goal. So hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please hit that thumbs up button. Like I said, it means a lot. Also, just put a comment if it's good or if it's how I can improve these videos for you guys. Please put in the comments below. It helps us a lot. The more comments and likes you put on our videos, the more YouTube spreads the love. The more YouTube spreads it, then the more content I can put out for you guys. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.